Hi friends, welcome to All About Home. Today we are going to see yummy chili paneer. Let's start. Take a bowl, add 250 grams of paneer cubes, 2 tablespoons of maida, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon pepper powder and mix well. Now add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and little water. Marinate this for 10 to 15 minutes. Now heat the oil, deep fry the paneer and keep it aside. Now take a pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 2 teaspoons of finely chopped ginger, 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic and saute it for a minute. Now add 4 sliced green chilies, half cup onion cut in cubes. Once the onion turns transparent, add half capsicum cut in cubes and salt to taste. Now add the sauces, a teaspoon of chili garlic sauce, a teaspoon of red chili sauce, half teaspoon green chili sauce but it's optional, a teaspoon of ketchup, mix well. Add little water or how much you need it. To this add a teaspoon of soy sauce. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with water. It thickens the sauce. Finally add the paneer and give a mix. Our yummy chili paneer is ready. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.